lady's late.
You're addicted.
Arrest me.
What's up, everybody, and welcome to 3nv7.A.V or Envy Aerial Videography. Got him. Anyways, today we have a nice. What do we have today, bro?
A BoostedBoard?
Right. So today I got my BoostedBoard Mini X, and we're gonna do kind of like a review, but not really a review. We're gonna be touching on 3 points, and I'm gonna tell you those points later. But let's go and do a quick unboxing real quick. Come on, let's go. All right, so here we go. BoostedBoard Mini X. Let's go ahead and unbox, shall we? Yeah. Just freshly picked up. I'm not littering. I'm gonna just put it on the side. All right, quick unboxing. Do this quick. All right. Don't want to. Boom. Holy.
Oh wow, that's clean.
Maca-fucking-roni. Come on, baby. You gotta go run that. Wow. Wow. Right off the bat, this is what I've been looking for. Right there. That's exactly what I've been looking for. You can hit the cards, alright. Here, no stickers. Got them. Okay.
Maybe in the.
Oh. And skate tool. You don't need to know anything else. Anything else in here? Not in here. Probably in. Seriously. They seriously took my BoostedBoard stickers, bro.
What are you talking?
Comparison. I don't know if you have a Riptide, but it is smaller than the Riptide. Smaller than the Riptide. Make sure you record horizontally.
Like, yeah. It's like the exact same size, honestly.
Pretty much almost the same size, but not really.
It got the kicktail.
This tail is a little bit longer, right? Now, see, this one still touches the ground a little bit. Boosted does not. So, this guard looks pretty neat. I am gonna buy a protector for this though.
Oh yeah, definitely.
So, that's that.
Yeah, that's the yeah. Cause look at the end of my Riptide.
Yeah, this is. I know the Riptide's pretty bad. All right. We're gonna be doing 3 tests. Test number 1: does it fit in the BoostedBoard backpack? Test number 2: does it actually go 22 miles per hour? And test number 3: does it weigh as much as a BoostedBoard V3? As this bad boy right here. Let's go and let's try and do test number 1. Yeet. The BoostedBoard Mini X fit in the new BoostedBoard backpack. Let's check it out. It was mainly designed for this board. We're gonna see if it fits here. Obviously, it has the controller sleeve, which is right here. That stays the same control, same weight, same everything. This, I don't think is gonna be needed. See, this is the problem I knew was gonna happen. Obviously.
Well,
You can't.
why not?
It's too fat. Try to do opposite.
Yep.
No.
It's no, you can't flip it over, right?
So that's a no-no. You cannot, in case you were wondering, in case you're like, yeah,
That's really interesting, actually.
Yeah, it might fit. It does not.
Wow.
I got a deck hook. I'll probably be using the deck hook with this, which is perfect. Win-win situation for everybody.
That's cool.
Let's go. Test number 2. Does it actually go 22 miles per hour? Surprisingly,
It's actually a little heavier.
A little heavier, right?
Yeah.
The BoostedBoard Mini? Yeah. All right, so that's pretty much it. We did the 3 tests. We did the backpack to fit in the boosted backpack. That's a total no. It's not the same as the Boosted V2, way different. The speed test, it said 22 miles per hour. The Boosted doesn't have that much battery. I literally just got it. And I have to see if it has the, if I have the mode correctly, but we did hit a top 18 miles per hour. And the last test, the weight. Does it weigh more than a V2? It kind of does.
Blowing your brains out.
Again, beautiful, sexy. You've probably seen this over online. It makes a little weird sound. Let me see if you can hear it once you think it. No, you can't hear it, but it's kind of like a little Jetson ride when I was riding it specifically. It was kind of weird, but it's pretty dope. Again, I'm gonna have to lose these struts. It's very tight. I could barely get around the corners. It's kind of like, again, you got to do a lot of like, it feels like it really does. But now I'm gonna give you some aerial footage. We're gonna ride it around. You're gonna see a little montage, and yeah, I hope you guys like it.